Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to fix personal hotspot on iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video. Firstly, open the settings icon on iOS device. Just tap on here mobile data. Tap the mobile data network. Just tap on username and put in the any kind of name. For example, type Apple and now go back. Solution number 2. Open settings again. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down. Tap here and reset all network settings. Make sure the problem is solved. Solution number 3. Restart your iOS device for a few minutes. After restart your phone and iPad 100% solve your problem. Hope this video helpful. If the video helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.